The children play outside during lunch. I drink tea in the afternoon. She travels to the office by bus. The teacher tests her students every Monday. We call each other frequently. My sister runs very fast. The cat sleeps on the sofa every day. He reads newspapers every morning. She watches movies on weekends. I send emails to my clients daily. The team are developing new strategies. They are working on the project this week. He is considering his options carefully. We are devising a solution for the problem right now. The children are following the instructions closely. Thanks for watching.